What's up, everybody? Welcome to the VLOGMAS day 14. Today is 14. Good afternoon, you guys. I am currently in the car sitting at the post office because Mom just ran in to send off some packages. Hi, Watty. Look, there's Watty. He says, hi, everybody. Hi. Hi, everybody. Hi, a good boy. Watty. Now say hi to it. And he's not impressed with me. This morning I did absolutely nothing. I actually slept in a little bit. I have been having heck with sleeping during the night. I don't know what's going on, but I have not been sleeping well, so I went back to bed this morning. But I just came back from a doctor's appointment, got another set of sugar point injections. That's always fun. But I got to see my doctor, who's always entertaining, so that's good. And now I'm headed home to write a paper because I didn't write it yesterday, so I have to write it today because it's due this evening. So I'm going to go home and write a paper, and hopefully I will be able to write it fairly quickly. It's a fairly simple premise, and I will then be done with one class completely, and then just have to finish the other two assignments. Technically 3, but one's like a 2-minute assignment for my other class, and then I'll be done for the semester. So I'm very excited about that. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas season, and I will check in with you in a little bit. I'm making myself a little afternoon snack. I want to show you guys one of the greatest things that I learned about when I was in Anchorage for 3 months. This is a toaster oven, which I'm sure you guys have seen before, but wait a minute, that's not supposed to happen. Is it? Okay. And this is a great way for someone who can't see well to use the oven and to heat up food. So I have some leftover chicken nuggets here from McDonald's because they had a deal going on where... That's interesting. I didn't think this thing heated up. Started heating up until you turned the timer on, but it's getting hot. So I'll have to grab an oven mitt here. Anyway, McDonald's had a get a 20-piece chicken nugget for $5. And so I got it. And now I am putting them on my cute little tray so that I can heat them up in the toaster oven, which is nicer than heating them up in the microwave, which is up there, because they won't get all soggy and gross if I put them in the toaster oven. So I'm going to grab this here and put it in because it's starting to get hot. And then, oh, it's because this wasn't all the way dinged. A sighty who used this used it improperly. That's why it started heating up when the knobs were turned, even though the timer wasn't going. So you have to have the timer going. Alexa, set a timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes, starting now. And the next time you set a timer, try adding some theme sounds from the movie Avatar, The Way of Water. Just say, enable Avatar theme.
Nah. Anyway, so now the chicken nuggies are heating up. And I set a timer on Alexa because, obviously I'm not going to be able to use the little dial right there and say how long I want it. So I just turn it to like a lot of way around, and then this starts heating up. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh boy. Oh no, no, no. One of the first rules, well, this might actually be okay. One of the first rules of having a toaster oven is that you never want to put anything on top of the toaster oven. However, all of the things that are up here are metal, so it's going to be okay. But like, you never want to put paper products or styrofoam or anything like that up there. So if you are someone who has a visual impairment or someone who just likes non-soggy food, get yourself a toaster oven, because they have changed my life. And apologize that this clip was all over the place. You guys, this paper is kicking my trash. I mean, it's going well, but it's also taking a really long time because I'm trying to be very, very thorough. And I mean, it's a final paper in a master's program, so of course it's going to be difficult. If it was easy, it wouldn't be a master's program. So because of that, I don't know how late it's going to be when I finish it. So I don't think I'm going to get yesterday's vlog up. I mean, if I miraculously finish in the next like hour, because it's 10 o'clock now. So if I miraculously finish in like the next 2 hours, then yeah, I might be able to put up yesterday's vlog. But if I don't, then it'll go up in the morning, and then this one will go up in the evening. So anyway, I'm gonna get back to writing this paper, and wish me luck. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna talk really quietly because it's late. I just finished my paper and got it uploaded, and I did get yesterday's vlog uploaded because I was done with the paper by about 12:45. So I uploaded yesterday's vlog, and now I am going to do Christmas countdown, and then I am going to crash because I am very, very tired, and my brain feels like it's melting. I'm gonna put on the teddy bear today. Got my iPad going on a little bit in the background. You might hear that. Okay. Oh, come on. I'm even doing this with my right hand, you guys. Okay. Alright. Don't be too loud, snowman.
Each day, place an ornament on this tree to know how many days there are left till Christmas. Wow, the holidays are almost here. There are 11 days until Christmas. Wow.
11 days. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, leave it a yeah. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, questions, comments down below. Share this video with anyone who you think might find it entertaining or interesting. And it would mean a lot if you subscribe to my channel. Become a member of the Cray Cray Squad. And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Ding! That way you can become a member of the notification squad. Don't forget to enter the giveaway listed down below. That's it. So until next time, I hope you had a cray cray day. Good night. Merry Christmas.